was studying here as student of ecology, botany department of Goa University. This is the first year's batch. We are conducting some field practicals, and we found something interesting in the campus, which is the lateritic plateau. And soil formation is poor. Soil is very poor in nutrients. But in a seasonal depression here, which is automatically formed, it is probably a small pond, miniature pond, surrounded by herbaceous vegetation, which is local, that we came across this type of submerged fructification. They were there 3 months back, and now again they have appeared. 2 months back, after the rains, we have seen few of these so-called fruit bodies, but their identity was not known, but they look like some sort of plant roots. Now our objective is, this was pulled out from the sediment of this, and perhaps it is possible to pull out some of these fruit bodies. I consider them as fruit bodies because if these are roots, this is a sample which I have dragged out. You can see this from the sediment, and it came out like a root. But the question is, roots will not be phototrophic. They will not grow towards light. Naturally, no, this is something which is not a root, but it looks like a root, but there may be some sort of other associationship which we will have to study. But at the base I see that there is a root-like thing here, understood here, and it further extends into this, and it forms a fruit body. That means this white cylindrical growth, which is root-like, is coming from the root like this. I am washing it now just to check, because I have not brought any water cylinder, just to check what is it. And now I am seeing here a typical root. I am seeing here a typical root. So it is possible that the outer whitish thing, which is phototrophic, growing towards the light, it could be some sort of unidentified fungal mantle. So we have decided to examine this whole phenomenon and take some samples. Also try to uproot this and put that in container and try to study it in the laboratory. So what do you think about this phenomenon? Do you think that this type of, you can see this specimen where it is bifurcated, like this is a behavior which is root-like, but water is very warm. What was the temperature that you found of water? Can you take it again, please? Use that this one thermometer and take it. That is a digital temperature probe which you need to, at 3-4 points you take till the thermometer, digital thermometer stabilizes. What is it showing? Here. How much? Okay, then put on the soil here, in the soil here. Slightly deeper. And let it be for some time. Now what we are doing is, we are trying to compare the soil temperature outside, which has nothing to do with this pond, and see the temperature differential, just to see whether the pond water, being small and in a rocky area here, gets warmed up due to sunlight and creates a sort of a situation which is favorable to this type of fruit body, growth of this type of fruit bodies. That is the purpose of this one. What is the temperature? It is 33.2, so there is a temperature differential of around 1 to 1.5 degrees Celsius. Okay, so that is quite interesting, because, but it is not unusual, because water will always absorb heat and it will be warmer. So now, please collect some specimens. First, get me that container and beaker and strainer. trying to fill this in that container. Give me the container and the strainer. Because we don't want any debris to go inside, because this would be incubated in the lab. Now in this, I expect each one of you to either use the scoop. You have to reach, I don't know, first I will try to sample myself whether I can reach to the bottom and pluck out anything. Then I put it inside this. Out of the frame of the camera, and this is all for the purpose of our documentation, and now I expect you to move inside the frame and then take sample and put it in that container. Each one of you can sample a few, but as far as possible intact from bottom. Don't collect the sediment. Take a whole bunch, take more. You want to sample only 30 or 40% of the full crop, because we will have to examine it from the base where it is attached to the bottom to the top in the lab after perhaps washing it. So that you wash in this one itself. Don't collect the mud. We don't want the mud. नेक्स्ट त्या वाटेचे घे नेक्स्ट त्या वाटे फुडले काड सगळे एकाच कुशीचे काडून पोना नारगल वयल्यान तोडू नाका ते मीन्स टेक इट फ्रॉम द बॉटम हळू हळू एकदम ताका हें करूं नाका स्लोली तो लूज करूंक जाय हालो ना येना खंय हो म्हणून सांग येता आयलो कोणान रूट आसा रुटा सकट काडूंक जायना काडटो सगळी युक्ती आनी शक्ती वापरतो दिसलो मारूं नाका आय मीन gently you try to see the vessel attachment. I think it is some sort of plant root which is producing that vertical structure. Quite interesting. Taking now so much of pain. Marutichi shapli kashi काणकोणा पावले मग तू just remove that and put it